All right, I have a huge Banana Republic factory haul full of awesome summer stuff that I can't wait to unbox and try on with you today. Hi there, and welcome to my channel. I'm Liz. And today I have an unboxing first impression review from one of my favorite stores, for sure in my top 5. This is Banana Republic Factory. So it is a little less expensive than Banana Republic. They don't always have everything from Banana Republic on Banana Republic Factory, but sometimes they do. So I'm always at both of those sites. They're two of my favorite stores, and so always popping in there. So if that is a store that you like, be sure to like this video and subscribe because I do check in there all year round. And real quick, I just want to mention I did get pretty bad sunburned. You're probably gonna see it. I went into the backyard to do some light work, and then I decided I should clean the spa. And it took a lot longer than I anticipated, and so I did get pretty burned. So I have been putting aloe on it, and of course my castor oil. And so this is only the 3rd day, so it's still pretty bad, but just wanted to, let you know. I'm sure you're gonna notice and wonder what the heck happened to me. Okay, this is a really huge haul and I have everything in here. So a little short set, dresses, tops, shorts, all kinds of great items for summer. So if you are interested, just keep watching. Let's get into it. All right, the first dress up is this gorgeous black and it's got some brown, some ivory in it, 100% cotton dress for summer, which I actually really loved on. So when I first pulled it out of the box, I was like, oh my gosh, how is this gonna fit? It's so small. There's no stretch since it is 100% cotton, but the back fully unzips and you can see there's lining. So there is almost like a full slip on the inside, which is really nice. And the straps are adjustable for that inside slip. And it is, I don't know, yeah, it is detachable there as well. So maybe if you wanted to wear a darker one, a black one underneath. I love the V on this. It wasn't too plunging. I think it was nice. It was classy, feminine. These sleeves are blousy and, sheer. So really nice. And it has an elastic end, not too tight. Really, really nice. I liked the thick band. And overall, this fit really, really well. I picked this up in a medium. I like the length. There's no slits and just a really neat pattern. So I think a beautiful summer addition. All right, and the next dress I picked up is this lovely pink midi length dress. And I will say it was a tad difficult to get on because of the high neck. And this top just really isn't that stretchable. I don't think. Yeah, these don't really move, so they kind of are placed where they're placed. I did pick this up in a size 8. So the back has a tie, that's kind of how you enclose it, and it does have a side zipper. Otherwise, again, 100% cotton, no stretch, not gonna get it on. I actually like the darting that it had here in the front. It kind of cinches it. I think it gave a lovely overall fit and look. It is not lined, so in the sun I would wear a slip with it, and it did have pockets. No slits. I would say just a simple, classic, lightweight summer dress. All right, next up is a jumpsuit. And this was a big deal for me because I haven't worn a jumpsuit since my 20s. I gave up on, I had too many issues with them, and so I was like, I'm not doing it. I'm not wearing a jumpsuit, but they are so pretty and it's just another look. So I saw this one on sale, Banana Republic Factory, had to try it out, and it's black. I love it. I was like, I could wear that all year round. So, and I do love it. I love the finish of the material. So it's almost like a crepe or a pleat, but overall it's just real flowy. I loved the arm opening. It covered a little bit, but not too much, but also my whole bra was covered up, which is really nice. It does have this little closure, hook closure, and a little piece of string over there so that the V is not too deep, but you can have that open if you like. And then it does have a detachable belt. So it just has the little tiny strings there. And you can use the belt that it came with. It does have a stretch elastic waist, so it does kind of nip you in there. I picked it up in a large and I like the kind of flowiness of that, and I was so happy about the length. So I picked this up in a regular length, not the tall or anything like that, and I really liked how it fit. Went all the way down to my foot, which I appreciate. And overall, since I don't have a jumpsuit, I'm gonna have this one now. All right, next up is this linen cotton blend mini dress. And I did pick this up in a size 10 tall. Since it said mini and they do offer tall option, I was like, yes, let me have that please. And I love the length. This is about as short as I would go for a dress. It's real thick. It is lined, which is really nice. So it does have a lining and it does have a little elastane, it says, but I did not feel it. So it does have a zip back so you can get in and out, and then a little closure at the top, but pretty minimalistic. So no pockets, nothing else going on here. I like to have this on hand for really hot days or a windy day when you don't want the flowy maxi dress, or you could even wear this over a bathing suit, which is really nice. So it's not super fitted, and I just think it's a nice silhouette and a great classic for spring and summer. All right, I picked up a pair of Chino shorts in this, I would say kind of bone color or really light beige, and they're great. I picked these up in the size 10. I have another pair in size 8, so you can kind of see the difference. I prefer the 10 for me, but it does have belt loops. It does have a button and zipper closure. All the pockets work and are real and are buttoned as well. I like the cut. There was no bulging, no making me look bigger than I am, which I appreciate, especially in the light color. I like the length, and overall just a great classic short to have on hand. I've mentioned it a few times on my channel, but I have a love-hate relationship with knits or crochet tops. I love them. I love how they look. I love just kind of that they're unique, but a lot of times they're see-through. So I was really happy to find this one. It is a knit, but I didn't feel that you could see my bra through. So it's kind of a little bit of a tighter knit, but it's still like relaxed, because I have gotten other crochets or knits from Banana Republic that are tighter knit, but then the fabric is like real thick and there's not kind of a movement. So I really like that this one still moved. The whole top was really beautiful. I like that, this arm length opening still covered my bra. The V-neck I thought was just beautiful, not too revealing, just perfect. And I like that it's longer in case you want to wear it, out, but you could do the front tuck like I did. And so great all year round, great in the spring and summer to wear like this. And of course could be layered under a linen blazer for work or anything like that. But overall, just a really beautiful top. And I love this beautiful kind of plum color, I guess I would say. It's a purplish tone in the purple family. And I did pick this up in a large, loved that fit. And for a pop of color, some summer fun, I did pick up this fuchsia or hot pink camisole, and I love Banana Republic's camisoles. I actually wear a medium in these. I like the V-neck. It's not too deep. Everything's not too loose. It's just a real nice fit and length as well. And I love that there's lining. So there is a second layer, so you don't have to worry about it being see-through. And again, just a classic piece. You could just wear it out in the spring and summer, but then you could layer this under like an all black suit or blazer in the fall and winter. So a great color to add into your wardrobe. All right, and so here's that other pair of Chino shorts, and I did pick it up in this kind of tan olivey color, which is, I think, a great summer color and just a versatile color. But I wanted to show you the opening. So just a regular zip and button opening, the same as the last pair, but these are in a size 8. So I did fit them. I wouldn't say that they're stretch, but it fit fine. I could wear it, but I feel like one time through the washer, maybe dryer, I probably wouldn't dry these Let's see what they're made of. Okay, so these are 99% cotton. So I don't dry any of my natural fiber items. I hang dry them because one, they usually let go of color really easy because that's what, you know, that kind of fabric does. And two, they shrink like crazy. So don't put your stuff through the dryer. You have to hang it or lay it out and let it air dry is what I recommend. But there is always a little shrinkage with any cotton items anyway. So this size isn't gonna work for me, but it did fit if you like a more snug fit. All right, and I did pick up 2 tees from Banana Republic. I love their tees. They're just so like lightweight and flowy, perfect for summer. So this is the Malibu tee V-neck, and it is a 60% cotton, 40% modal. And I like that mix. So it is lightweight. I mean, I wouldn't wear a black bra under this, but I think if you wear a skin colored bra, you're fine. And I'm a white tee junkie, so I pick them up everywhere. That is the only thing I have far too many of in repeats. I don't like to buy the same exact thing over and over in different colors or anything like that. The only thing I do it with is white tees. I have probably from every known company. And to me, they're all different because they're different weights and the sleeves are a little different, but really to anyone else, it's a white V-neck. But if you like a relaxed tee, a lightweight, flowy, something you could wear on a really hot day, these are a great option. All right, first I wanted to go over this really cute tank. So when I saw this online, it piqued my interest because of the stitching. It almost looks like boning, but it is not. And then I was unsure, like, is this too cropped? Is it not? Overall, I'll just tell you, I love this top. So I think it just adds a lot of interest with the faux boning. It's a beautiful ivory color. I did pick this up in a medium. It's real lightweight, real stretchy, but I just think a little dressier version than your regular tank top. All right, and with that, I paired these cotton linen blend shorts, which I loved. I did pick these up in a large, and they are a bit big. So I don't know if the medium would be better. They're like barely too big. So these might be something I would wash and dry because I might want a little shrinkage. But I like the sleek front. There's no zippers or buttons or anything, but it looks like a nice finished trouser short, which I really like, and just real sleek in the front. So no, you know, pleats, darting, nothing, which I thought was really nice on. It does have side slotted pockets, which are a nice depth, not too shallow. And I like the length and the color. So to me, this is like classic linen, you know, that sandy color. And I really, really like that. And of course I had to pick up the top. What I loved about this is the buttons are not too standoutish. So they are white, but they have kind of a pearl iridescent finish, but not too much. So they're not like screaming. Sometimes I don't like when stuff has a lot of contrast. There's no pockets or anything distracting. So this is just a great third layer item to throw over anything. Or of course you can wear it as a top too. So if you're looking for a linen cotton blend button down, this I highly recommend. It's just real simple. It's a classic and you just can't go wrong throwing it over anything. And that cotton and linen is going to be real breathable. So just a great summer wardrobe staple. All right, and the next item I picked up are these really pretty, I love this color, red shorts. I actually picked these up in a size 10 and they are too small. Like I have to size up, but let me tell you about them. So it does have the hook closure, double hook closure zipper there, and then it does have a button for extra protection. It does have belt loops, no stretch here. They are 97% cotton, but they do have side slotted pockets. They do have back pockets. They're all real. They all work. And I like the length. I love this hemline here too. I just think that adds a classy finish. But it does have these pleats. So because these didn't fit me, I didn't really like how that looked, but I think if it's in the correct size, it'll really just give a nice kind of dressier shorts look so they don't look so casual, a little bit dressier. But the color, the shade of red is really beautiful. And overall, I really like these. I just need to size up. And then I picked up this lightweight, I think of it as like a beach sweater. So this, you know, if you're on vacation somewhere or on a cruise and you're taking a morning beach walk, you throw this over. You throw this over your tank top, you go. It's real lightweight, but it's enough coverage, but it's not a winter sweater. And so I like the flowiness. It has kind of a larger relaxed arm, which I really liked. And then I tried to see if I could throw it off the shoulder, just barely. I don't think it's an off the shoulder, or wasn't for me, but I would still wear it like that. And I did pick this up in a large, but I really like the color, just a nice neutral light color, and the drapiness of it. Overall, all the cuts, the relaxed fit, really liked this lightweight summer sweater. Okay, and this next one made me laugh when I pulled it out because it is a bodysuit. And I never buy bodysuits, but I loved the top of this. I was like, oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I gotta try it. I think I totally skipped over the part that it's a bodysuit. So it is. I picked this up in a large. It is in their soft stretch tee material, which is a nice, I would say medium weight, almost to the thicker side. But overall, I think it's really pretty. I tried it on with the too short or too tight of shorts. So the overall look wasn't the best, but this would be great for layering. And if you like bodysuits, this is an easy kind of one and done. Like, you don't have to worry about your bra showing through or anything like that. And it's a nice weight material. And this V-neck adds just a pretty feminine touch as well. And I forgot to hold this one up and talk about it, but it is a wide ribbed midi dress in a navy, real flowy, real drapey, a nice forgiving fit, high neck, no slits, easy peasy slip-on dress. That was a huge haul. I think I liked all of the dresses. That was my favorite. That usually is my favorite in summer. That's why I do the most dress hauls. If you haven't seen my other ones, check those out. But if you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a like and subscribe. And then YouTube will know that it's a good informative video, and we'll push it out to more ladies that it could potentially help. I wanted to thank you so much for dropping in and spending some of your time with me. I really do appreciate it. I hope that you have a really wonderful day, and I hope to see you in the next one.